I have Huawei E5 2018, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here, let's open the settings. So let's find the settings right here. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose System. Select here Reset Options and choose Network Settings Reset. Let me do it. And this will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are aware of this, let's start Reset Settings. And let's start Reset Settings again just to confirm the operation. So the device is just restoring the default network settings. And you can go back and start using your device with the default network settings. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.